Hey, welcome to this Alphabot tutorial video. My name is A Dutch Bro, and today we're going to take a look at connecting to Alphabot for the very first time. So if you haven't used Alphabot before and it's your first time, stick around and we'll go through this process together. Alright, so you're going to want to go to the website alphabot.app, and on our website you'll find some information about our software. But basically the first step to get started is to click that sign in button, which can be found on the top right of your screen or also here on the bottom left. Now once you click that, if it's your very first time, it will ask you to select which MetaMask wallet you want to connect, and it will also ask you to sign a read-only signature, which is basically just to confirm that you own that address. Now, we offer a variety of wallet connections at this point. We offer, for example, MetaMask, Wallet Connect, but currently, at the time of this video, we only support ETH wallets. We support a variety of different Mint wallets for different change, which we'll show you shortly. All right, so as soon as you connect your wallet, you're basically going to be shown this right here, which is your Alphabot dashboard. And this is where you'll be able to see all of the raffles that you'll be able to take a look at and enter. Now, let's start from the top here. Here's your sort of home button, right? Anytime you click on the logo, it takes you right to the home page, which is this. That first website you saw, the first page, you won't really see that unless you specifically follow a link for it. Now, here on the top right is a few different options here. You could connect to mobile, so in that case, you can actually very simply connect to mobile if you basically just re-authenticate your session. You've got a QR code right here. I'm going to blur that out just so that you can't get into my demo account. But that's a very easy way to basically open up Alphabot on your mobile phone as well. Now, you've got a button here by which you can switch between light and dark mode. You've got a help button here, which opens up our FAQ and our documentation in case you have any questions. And of course, you're always welcome in our Discord as well in case of questions. And this button here takes you to our mint calendar. Now, this is basically where you'll be able to see all of the daily mints, right? So you can see on, today, November 1st, these projects are minting. And these times are localized to your time zone, right? So I'm based in CEST, that's correct, time zone, and yeah, these times will be localized to me. And you can look into the future and see what other projects I'm minting and when. You can see Thursday is going to be a very busy day. Now, the great thing about this is that Alphabot will know once you've won a specific whitelist for a specific project, right? So it will actually mark the projects in green on the calendar, and it will show you with another little circle to show you how many mints you're whitelisted for that day. Now, this is a brand new account, so obviously I haven't won anything yet, but you'll definitely see that yourself. All right, now let's basically take a look at your profile. Okay, so we're back at the home page, right? I clicked on the logo, and again, you'll see these raffles come in here every time you refresh. And these are raffles you can take a look at, right? You can click on them, and it will open up the individual raffle page, and depending on the requirements, you might be able to enter them. Now, you already actually here see, right, on this page, you already see that there's a few requirements, right? You have to join a Discord, you have to follow a specific Twitter, and it's already telling you, like, hey, you need to connect your Discord and connect your Twitter if you want to enter this this raffle. So that's what we're going to do first, right? So we had a quick walkthrough here of the basics. Now we're actually going to go get you set up. So click on the top right here on your address, and this opens up your profile. It might ask for another signature, right? Again, a read-only signature to authenticate your session. This is just to make sure that people can't just access your settings. So you just have to re-authenticate that session with your wallet. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is connect a Discord account. That's pretty much a requirement for pretty much any raffle out there, right? So click on plus Discord, and it's going to ask you basically for access to your Discord account. I'm using a demo account here, and you're just going to click authorize, and it will take you right back to it. And you now see your Discord account right there. Now, there's a couple options here. basically you can select it as your default Discord account. You can reconnect it, right? In case you're running into an error of some sort related to your Discord account, you can reconnect it. That sometimes helps. Or if you want to remove it completely, you can do that as well. Now, we do support adding multiple Discord accounts. In order to do that, you're basically just going to want to make sure that you're logged into that second or third or, well, additional Discord account in Discord web, right? Because that's where it basically pulls the account from. Now, you can add multiple accounts, and you can basically also set per community which account you want to submit. We'll show you that in a second here, because every time you enter a raffle, you can actually choose which Discord account you want to submit. All right, now for the Twitter, I don't have another Twitter account I can link right now, but it's exactly the same as the Discord account shown up here, where you're basically just connecting your account to it, and you're basically just given an authorization. And it will show you exactly what information it's able to access. But yeah, this connection is basically used to check whether you've liked a specific tweet, retweeted it, and or follow a specific account, right? All right, so in community settings, you'll be able to see all of the servers that you're in. Now, this test account, this demo account, is only in one server right now. So yeah, that's what you see here. Now, here's something that we haven't really touched on before yet, which is the Mint wallets. Now, we're going to talk about that now. And you already see a few different Mint wallets here, right? Ethereum, Solana, Aptos. And this is where you basically can set a community default Mint wallet. So if you're a part of, 10 or however many communities you like, you can actually set a default Mint wallet to submit per community. This is really helpful if you want to make sure that you can basically win multiple spots, right, for specific projects, because it allows you to set a different wallet per community. Now, you're also able to customize that Discord, like I mentioned earlier, right, to also better your chances of getting more whitelist. Now, in this case, it only shows one here because this is just the address we connected, right? It's the same as you see up here. Now, we can basically add more, and we're going to talk about that now. So let's go to signed wallets. This is basically any wallets that you've connected through signature, right? So these wallets will be considered for any NFT requirements. So for example, if you have a bunch of NFTs that you use to enter raffles, but you have a lot of them, so you've split them up over different wallets, you can do so as well here, where you can just connect multiple wallets, and it will basically consider all of them in the NFT requirement. Now, this is where the Mint wallets are. So this is the Ethereum Mint wallet section, Solana Mint wallet, and Aptos. All right, let's add a Ethereum Mint wallet. So I've got a bunch of Mint wallets here that we can add just like that. It's already saying, hey, it's been added, right? Now you have an option here to set just a Alphabot wide default, right? Like, which address do you always want to submit? Currently it's set to this one. We actually want to change it to this one right here. And then basically anytime I enter a raffle without the community default, it will actually show this as my default Ethereum Mint wallet. There we go. Now let's add the Solana as well. Solana. There we go. So you actually don't have to connect these wallets because they're Mint wallets, right? So we don't consider these for NFT requirements, and therefore it's not needed to prove that you own it. And that's the Aptos wallet as well. And this is where the confusion sometimes comes into play for some people, where they're like, hey, I can't sign in with my Phantom or with my Aptos wallet. But that's actually not needed because it's just a Mint wallet. All right, so this is now added to the profile, the different Mint wallets, and we can actually now go into the community setting, and for each community that you're a part of, you can set your default Mint wallets, right? So say I also join the Doodles Alpha Discord now, I could set a different set of Mint wallets if I like. All right, and these are the basics of how to get basically started using Alphabot. Of course, don't forget to connect that Discord. And then if you want to enter any raffles with Twitter requirements, don't forget to connect your Twitter as well. All right, that's it. So if you have any questions, feel free to join our Discord. The invite link is in our Twitter bio, and we've got a user support channel on there as well with more resources coming out. All right, my name is A Dutch Bro. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out, and have a great day.